Oh my god. God. Okay. Alright, well, I'm hitting it. Okay, we gotta head up here. I'm going camping for once in my stinking life. I left the city. Well, I left I left Bricksville to come up here to go camping. You should be proud of myself for beginning. I've been told many times that I should go camping. And look at that. I'm going camping. And I did rent a house. I did book a house. This Tesla, my god, a Tesla Model S. Definitely climb. I don't think this is what a car's supposed to be doing, but it worked. Here it is. The house. It's kind of small, I get it, but hey, look at that. We got a go-kart. I did rent the 2 cars. I don't remember renting a go-kart, but that's okay. Turn. Do that. Perfect. Alright. Go inside. I get it. It's quite cramped, as you can tell, because the kitchen's upstairs, the garage is downstairs. It's really small for the Tesla. And then we got here. Then we got the bedroom, but with a TV on the side. Yeah. Well, the thing is that I didn't want to get that big of a house because it was just be me. I think I probably should have regretted that. We do have that and that, but I'm going to bring the Tesla outside because I don't think the trunk's going to work inside the garage. So I'm going to open the garage door back up. There. Okay, well, we're going to open the trunk and grab my bags. Okay, I'm taking my bags inside. I'm just going to... Wait, I didn't notice there was a thing upstairs. I'm just going to put it all in my room. And hope that everything's going to be okay. Tesla, it was kind of cramped putting all the stuff in here, but I think it's fine. Just keep putting my stuff there. Alright, now we're gonna grab one more bag, and there's no grocery store out here for some reason. So I brought food because I don't think there's a grocery store out in here. And I don't honestly know where I am anymore. Forgot. Okay. Just zoomed right in. Alright, then we're gonna close. Close that on the Tesla. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. This Tesla is so close to hitting. There. Oh, I could have just walked through here. Alright, so we got dryer and a washer over here by the Tesla. I think... Oh, wait. I should probably close it. That. Alright. Alright, well, I think this is supposed to be the front door. So, we're gonna hop in and we are going to unpack. Okay, well, there we go. I did it, and I put the food here. So, but I want to do something. I want to head outside. I'm gonna drive the dune buggy around. Not dune buggy. I'm gonna drive the go-kart around here. It's not really made for this type of terrain, but I did rent it for fun. Actually, no, I don't think I want to drive the go-kart. Considering that this isn't the best place for a go-kart. Because it's not where they're supposed to be. The screen comes out. Alright. We got this thing. I don't know the name of the car. What? A dead tree. I've never seen them out here. Well, we moved from Brecksville, I think this is California. Oh God. I shouldn't be doing this, but I am going to do it. For fun. Oh God. Crap. Oh God. God dang it! Ah! Okay, we're heading down. Going down. Why do I hear sirens? I hear sirens. Like, no joke, there's I hear sirens. It's not good. This car's also quite strong, somewhat strong. I literally didn't have to hit the gas. I could have literally just driven. What in the world? I'm gonna drive on the road. I know I just went right down from the mountain where I staying. It's a drop. Oh, it's getting louder. Oh my God! Look up there! Cops? Out here? How? Okay, I've just left. Were they looking for me? There's no way they were. Right? They couldn't have been looking for me. Like, these are allowed on the road, I think. I passed them. They're really far out. I don't know if there's a road out there. I don't think there is. I'm still just gonna drive on the road to see what distance it. It's a little bumpy. Why is there police out here? Oh God. Why are there police out here? That's my question. Like, this place was technically abandoned. Wait, what? There's a house. It doesn't look abandoned. It looks like a normal house. Weird. Okay, there's a little... Actually, I'm gonna go off-roading. This car's kind of made for that. It's kind of hot, low-key. A little hot. Quite hot, actually. I'm just gonna drive this. I don't hear the sirens anymore, so... Probably should hit the road, but I'm not. I'm not gonna go that way. I'm just gonna follow the trail. I don't know where this leads. Can we lead us somewhere? Is it supposed to lead us to anything? No, it's still trailing. We passed the police. I feel like that's where I look. It's probably where I feel like it's where I'm staying. I don't know. So, wait. I hear him. We made it back to the police. Oh, it's getting louder. Drive up here. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh! Oh! Oh my god, there they are! Wait, that's where they are. Hello? Cops? They're empty. What? What? Why they're where do these lead? Should lead somewhere. I'm gonna climb this mountain real quick. Wait. That? That's the house. Are they trying to get up here? I'm trying to get up here. Trying to get up here? But they're empty. There's no one in the cars though. Someone take them? What? Anything take it? It's a cactus. These are cop cars and they're empty. Why are there empty cop cars? I think they're trying to get to the house. Something took the cop cars. I'm going. I'm booking it. Goodbye. Oh, the car's breaking now. The car is starting to break. I don't honestly care anymore. I'm getting out of here. Oh my god. Go faster. Go. We're going up. We're going back. Dude, them cars are gone. Oh my god, we gotta go. Dude, What the heck? Why are they there? They're trying to get to the house. But still, no one's in the cars. So why are there cars then? Someone set it up or what? Oh God. Kidding me? Probably left tracks for the cop cars to find me, but oh, come on, we broke the roof. Nothing happened. You saw nothing. You saw nothing. Alright, we're going up. Come on. Let's go. Probably shouldn't be shifting gears right now. Should I just walk up? No. It's too dangerous. We have to climb with the car. Oh, and we just broke the hood with the cactus. Oh God. Go! Come on, go! Come on. Climb, climb, climb. The car's not climbing. There, finally, we got up. The car, we were almost there, Come on. Yes, yes, we made it. It's the sketchy part with it, with the Tesla. Tesla was able to get up there quickly, and this thing couldn't. All right, we're hitting speed. So they're on the other side over there. Ugh. Yep, just land on there. All right, I don't honestly care anymore. I'm getting out of here. I'm so getting out. I'm getting the car. I'm getting out. Hit the brakes. Alright, then we're going to open up. I don't care what door. Then we're going to grab my bags and get out. Just quickly pack. Okay, grab all my stuff. Okay, we're heading out. We're going out. Open the car. Go! Open! Open. Okay, put the bags in there. Okay. Quick, hop in the car. I'm so done. I'm not dealing with this. Oh. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Go. I'm just gonna... And then we're just gonna have to drive off. Careful, though. Oh, I think I went the wrong way. And the car's throwing the brake. Oh, God. It's starting to fall apart. Just keep driving. Gotta head home because I am scared. Okay, we're getting out of here. We're so leaving. Now we are so leaving. Go. Okay, the front's a little broken apart, but it's okay. I don't honestly care. I'm glad the Tesla's okay. Alright, we're getting out. Go.